Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I've got some more unpackaging for you. Now it sounds strange saying unpackagings for you because normally you'd say I've got some more unboxings, but quite often when you get sent stuff in the mail, it arrives in packages rather than in boxes these days. It used to arrive in boxes, but I think due to the increased postage costs, people tend to send things in as least packaging as possible. So yeah, I've got another unpackaging for you today, although this one does feel like it's a box, so we might be able to say I've got an unboxing for you. So yeah, let's stick to saying we've got an unboxing video for you. Now I don't know what these are because I've been ordering lots of different pieces for my channel, because at the moment I'm trying to build a nice selection of different items that I can use in the backdrop of my videos. Now I know that you all come over to my channel to see precious metals, specifically silver, and I will continue to obviously always have some sort of precious metals in my video. But for now, I've just been trying to buy different things to make my backdrops more interesting, because I've got quite a lot of silver in my deep stack that I do plan to slowly introduce to the channel, and I do really want to get round to going to different locations, getting some silver out of storage and showing you some different pieces, because I appreciate that a lot of these pieces that you can see today have been on display in my videos for quite some time now. So I do want to kind of mix it up in terms of the precious metals that I'm showcasing. But yeah, like I said, I've been buying more bits and pieces to go into my backdrop, and that is because I like the idea of having different things that I can move around. I've recently purchased this, which is really, really cool. But yeah, I want to just kind of keep improving my backdrop and making it as interesting as possible. So that's why I've mainly been focusing on bits and pieces for the backdrop. Now I'm not sure exactly what this is because I've ordered a few different things. Oh, there we go. So fairly boring packaging there. These are just, I'll have to put them together off camera. Well, are they together already? Oh, they're already together. There we go. So these are actually plate stands. Now I had some people message me previously asking where I got my coin stands from, and I get them all from eBay. Now these are actually normal coin stands. So if you type in coin stand, you'll find something similar to these. They normally come all the way from China, and even with the kind of postage from China, they still work out a lot cheaper than trying to source them here in the UK. But yeah, that's all they are. They're just coin stands. Now the ones that I have my bars on, these are slightly bigger. You can see these are slightly bigger. So these are the kind of the next stage up, and these are what you need when you've got like 10-ounce coins, like you can see there, or kind of 10-ounce bars. But yeah, these are actually plate stands. So I searched for plate display stands or something like that. And again, I think these were from China as well. And they're just so that I can display slightly bigger items in my backdrop. I might have to send one of these to Future Investments for his 1 kilogram Britannia coin. But yeah, this is all I've been buying at the moment. Like I said, I've just been adding things to my backdrop to make the videos more interesting. I will get some more precious metals from my deep stack to showcase, but yeah, I've just been buying bits and pieces. I've been reinvesting the ad revenue from the channel, and for those of you that have been donating on the comment section and things like that, I've just been putting the money back into my setup just to improve it. I want to make it as cool as possible. I want to keep it as fresh as possible and make it as interesting as possible. Now the next one, like I said, it actually is a box, so we can actually say unboxing video for this one. It's actually really nicely packaged. I felt a bit bad actually because my partner opened the door to the postman to get this delivery, and she assumed I'd brought her something because she took it in. It looks like it's kind of got this, it looks like wrapping paper, but it's not, it's like a plastic. And she went, oh, what's this then? And I could just tell by her face that she thought it was something for her. And I said, oh, to be honest, I'm not sure what it is. I've ordered a few bits and pieces. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but unfortunately it's not for you. But yeah, I definitely could reuse this box in the future to wrap something up for Mrs. 365. But yeah, I can't remember exactly what I've got here. It's probably going to be something nothing like what the packaging suggests, but I could be wrong. Feels quite heavy. Ah, here we go. Oh, that's heavier than I thought. That's like a metal, I think. I didn't think it was a metal. I thought it was plastic. Right, so finally we have the item that goes with the silver spray paint. Now, I know I did an unboxing video a couple of days ago unboxing this silver spray paint, and I said to you that I've got something on the way that will make it make sense, and this is that item. Now, it's actually smaller than I thought, but it's also heavier than I thought. Wow, look at that. There we go. So this is pretty cool. This is for my backdrop, and this is the Marvel character Silver Surfer. How cool is that? And it's actually made out of metal, so it's actually got a bit of weight to it. And the reason I brought this spray paint was because on the pictures on eBay it looked really worn, so the plan was to give it a fresh spray of silver. But now I'm actually looking at it in person, I quite like the fact that it's a bit kind of worn because it shows the detail better. Now, I haven't seen anything like this before, but it's actually an official licensed product from Marvel. You can see on the bottom it says Silver Surfer, and it's just like a really cool statue. So there we go. I actually thought it was going to be this sort of height. I thought it was going to be plastic, and I thought that I'd have to spray paint it. But yeah, it's a lot smaller than I thought. So let's put Silver Surfer on the actual silver. Now, I don't really know how I'm going to incorporate that into my backdrops because it's a lot smaller than I thought. But yeah, still something to add to the backdrop. Might have to save this for something else, save this for another project. Maybe I could spray paint this box silver. Oh, that might look a bit tacky. Yeah, let me know in the comments what I could use this silver for. What could I spray paint to do with my backdrop that you think would look cool? But yeah, he looks quite cool. I just need to work out how he's gonna fit in the backdrop and look effective. And like I said, I will be introducing some more silver that you haven't seen before on this channel in the very, very near future. I just need to go to the different locations and the different storage places that I have it to get it out, because the plan has been to improve my backdrop with buying different bits and pieces, like this cool thing here, like my new whiskey, like Groot. We've got the This Is Fine dog. I just wanted to buy a few more fun items to make it a little bit more interesting. But I've got to a stage now where I'm pretty happy with the selection of things that I have that I can use in my backdrop. So now the next stage is to go into my deep stack and bring out some pieces of silver that nobody has seen on this channel before, because I have lots of different pieces that I haven't yet showcased on this channel, and I'm excited to show you them. I just need to get them together from different storage locations first. So yeah, thanks very much for watching my videos. I appreciate those of you that are still sticking around, even though that I haven't really been unboxing anything too exciting, but I think this is quite cool. A Silver Surfer. He can be the channel mascot. And let me know if you think I should spray paint him, or whether you think actually he looks quite cool the colour he is already. I actually quite like it. It's almost like an antiqued effect. Actually, I might lose like the detail if I spray painted it. Maybe I'll just give it a little bit of a clean up. You can see the bottom there could do a bit of a clean up. But yeah, I quite like that. I did not expect it to be metal, and I did not expect it to be that small, but yeah, if it was this small and it was plastic, I'd be a bit disappointed. But because it's smaller but it's metal and it's got a bit of weight to it, it's quite a cool little feature. So there we go. As always, thanks very much for all the support, and I hope you have a very nice day.